Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain. In this video I'm talking about the urgent update about car Vechain holders. But my friends, before starting this video, please I request everybody this time, those people who listen my voice, subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, today video is very important, very going urgent for all Vechain holders. But before starting this video, I request everybody to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more updates videos, because now you can see my friends, and a nowadays update is very important for everybody. You know what, the price dumps sometime, the price pump. No one can understand that what's going on in the Vechain, so I will guide you. Subscribe now. Now you can see my friends, the latest changes occur in the Vechain, positive 0.74% the price increase just in the last 2 hours. 0.082488 USD dollar is the highest price of the Vechain, and now the latest price, live price of the Vechain in the market is 0.082245 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Vechain in the market. You can see my friends, the price dumps for a later time again pump. So personally my friends, due to just this character, that the price temporary fast occur in the Vechain, and after 20 minutes 30 minutes the price again pump. So due to this character, I recommend for everybody to invest now more and more in the Vechain. I hope they give you profit and not loss in the future. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction update about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.